In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password in Canva. We'll start on the main Canva dashboard. From here, look to the lower left corner and click your profile picture or initials. That opens a small menu with your account options. Select Settings. Inside Settings, find and click the Login section. This is where Canva centralizes everything related to signing in. In the Login area, you'll see the password option. Click through to open the password reset page. On the reset page, Canva asks for the email address or phone number linked to your account. Enter the one you use with Canva and take a second to double check for typos. Small mistakes can prevent the reset message from arriving. Submit the form and Canva will send you a message with a secure link. I won't show my inbox on screen because it contains personal information, but the next part is simple. Open the message from Canva and interact with it by clicking the reset link inside. That link takes you back to Canva's secure password reset page. If the message doesn't appear right away, refresh your inbox, wait a minute or two, and check your spam or junk folder. You can also search your inbox for the word Canva to find it faster. If you used a phone number, make sure you have a stable signal so the text can come through. Once you've clicked the link and landed on the reset page, follow the prompts to create your new password. Choose something strong and memorable to you, ideally a unique passphrase you don't use anywhere else. Avoid obvious choices and consider using a trusted password manager to store it safely. When you confirm the new password, Canva will finalize the change and let you know it's been updated. From that point on, you'll sign in with your new password on all your devices. A quick note if you're on the mobile app. The layout may look slightly different, but the path is the same. Open your profile, go to Settings, then log in, find the password section, and proceed to the reset page. That's the full process. Start from the dashboard, open your profile and settings, go to log in, access the password area, head to the reset page, enter your email or phone, interact with the message Canva sends you, and finish setting your new password. Take your time with each step, and you'll be back up and running in just a few minutes.